Right, gonna do the first of step 3, question 2 on paper, year 2000. That was shoddy English, I'm sorry. Anyway, this thing we've got here. I equals 3 over 2 of x minus 1 over 3 minus x to the half. Right, well let's just let x equal 2 minus cos theta as it suggests. And let's say dx equals sine theta d theta, I believe. Oh yes. And then well, if x equals 2, this implies 2 equals 2 minus cos theta, which implies that cos theta equals 0, which implies that theta equals pi over 2-ish. And in a similar vein, if x equals 3 over 2, this implies that 3 over 2 equals 2 minus cos theta, which implies that cos theta equals a half, which implies that theta equals pi over 3. Lovely. So we've got our limits of integration, we've got our appropriate substitutions to make. There should be a dx there. And so let's find that I is now equal to, and in fact always was, the integral from pi over 3 to pi over 2 of, now, 2 minus cos theta minus 1 is 1 minus cos theta, and 3 minus 2 minus plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. Now, of course, this being a step question, when you get that, you instantly know you have done the right thing, because that is intensely symmetrical. And then we've got a sine theta d theta here. Fantastic. Because now, what we're going to do is, when you see a 1 minus something and a 1 plus something, your mind screams difference of 2 squares, and indeed that's what we're going to do. We are going to multiply the top and bottom by 1 minus cos theta, for reasons that will become swiftly apparent. This will become 1 minus cos theta squared over 1 minus cos squared theta to the half sine theta d theta, which equals, oh yes, pi over 2 pi over 3 of 1 minus cos theta squared over sine squared theta to the half sine theta d theta, which is great because now in one fell swoop I'm going to square root this, and multiply across to get this as the integral between pi over 3 and pi over 2 of just 1 minus cos theta d theta. Fantastic, because now we can just write that down. It is theta minus sine theta between pi over 2 pi over 3, which equals pi over 2 minus 1 minus pi over 3 plus root 3 over 2, which equals pi over 6 plus root 3 over 2 minus 1. I'm also going to write this now as pi plus 2 times pi plus 3 root 3 minus 6 over 12. Why am I doing that? Because, this will become important in the next bit, which I'll do in a separate video, that is the exact form we have here, with b and a replaced by 3 and 1. Which tells us that when we do this part, what we're essentially going to be doing is generalizing the method we've used here. We're not given a substitution, so what we're going to have to do is find a suitable one. Next time. Do. Okay, video end.